why you need to have these most important drugs on your farm. First and foremost, it's very important to be readily prepared. Remember, you're dealing with life, animal life, and so with life, animals fall sick. And therefore, it's important that you have a set of drugs that you can really tap into if you are going to be able to save these animals timely. It also helps to cut down costs. Remember, when you don't have these and you get a veterinary doctor to come on site, if they come with their own medication, be sure that you're going to pay highly, because for them they will charge per injection and per animal. But once you have all these, you'll just pay for the service. But also it helps knowing that these veterinary doctors are not so many, first of all, so they are widely spread. And you might need him when he's like 100 kilometers away. But if you've stocked all this drug and you give him a phone call trying to explain the situation on your farm, he can tell you to pick on a particular drug that he guided you to stock and be able to administer to your animal. So once you continue doing this, you end up also learning how to handle some of these cases, especially if you're doing it more frequently. So here we have different kinds of medicines. To start with, we have the antibiotics. For instance, oxytetracycline. But oxytetracycline has two kinds. We have the long-acting and the short-acting. Long-acting in the sense that once you inject an animal with this long-acting, it stays in the body system of the animal longer and is released in the bloodstream slowly as it tries to treat this animal. Then for the short-acting, normally we apply it to animals that have an infection or a situation that is becoming severe very fast. And so you need a drug that is going to act in the system quite quickly to support this animal to recover. So here we have oxytetracycline 10%. And so it's very, very good. It comes in very fast to try and support the animal. Then the other antibiotic is tylosin. I don't have it here. That's a very good drug, particularly for cough and flu. If your animals have cough and flu, you give them tylosin. Then we